Hello and welcome. This is Jagdish welcoming you all in new series of MPC 6 Statistics for Psychology problem sums. In this series we calculate and solve the problem sums from previous examinations. We start with chi-square sums. Here is the sum from June 2015 which asked for 7 marks. Says compute the chi-square for following data. Data is given in different groups, that is age group, and response is attitude toward travels, and critical value is already given at 0.01 level, that is 11.345. How to use critical value? That is to compare the hypothesis at the end of the sum. First step of the sum is to make table from the data. In this sum, the table is already given. In fact, the data is given in tabular format. So, and along with the totals, the first step itself is for making totals, and totals are already given. So, nothing to do in first step, just to make the table and totals. That's it. Next step is an important step for chi-square, that is to find expected value for each cell. Each cell has its own reference, like row 1 column 1. Here is row 1 column 1, row 1 column 2, row 2 column 1, row 2 column 2, and so on. And formula for finding expected value is row total into column total divided by the grand total. Like first row first column means first row total 55 and first column total is 90. So 55 into 90 divided by grand total 200 equal to 24.75. That is expected value for cell 1, that is row 1 column 1, and cell 2 is row 1 column 2. First row is 55 and second column is 110. So 55 into 110 divided by 200 gives us the value of 30.25. Same way, moving towards the row 2 column 1. So row 2 total is 60 and column 1 total is 90. Here 60 into 90 divided by grand total 27 is the answer. For second column, that is row 2 and column 2, it is 60 into 110 divided by 200 grand total gives us the value 33. In third row, we get the values accordingly like this. In third row, we got the expected value. First column 13.5, second column of third row 16.5, first column of fourth row 24.75, and second column of fourth row is 30.25. And here how to calculate the chi-square. Chi-square is nothing but the sum of observed minus expected square, whole square, divided by expected. This is the simple formula, and we are putting the values into the formula. Plugging into the formula, we have 25 minus 24.75 whole square divided by 24.75 gives the value of 0.0025. Same way we do for all the cells. We have here 4 rows and 2 columns, means total 8 cells we have, and we will do for all the 8 cells, and we get the value like this. and we make the sum of all the values, all the calculated values of chi-square, and we get final chi-square number, that is 12.6722. How does it come? This is the total of all the calculated chi-squares numbers, and critical value is already given in the question. The value was 11.345 at 0.01 level, means 1% variation is allowed, and our calculated value is more than 11.345. It was 12.6722. Therefore, the null hypothesis is rejected and alternative accepted. The conclusion is there is no significance between age groups and attitude towards tribals. Now, this is a sum for your practice. Differentiate between the parametric and non-parametric same way. They ask the theoretical questions for 3 marks and practical sum for 7 marks. Here is a practical sum. We will discuss in the next video. We come along with the solution for this sum. You just calculate and be ready with the solutions, and we will match, we will recheck, and any doubts or queries you just write down in the comment box. Thank you for watching.